Hey everybody, welcome back to another set of videos. This time it's Brawl once again with DudeofRock18.
Hello!
Yep, so...
And we're gonna have our epic match of all time.
Oh wow, right off the bat, huh?
Yep.
Okay. So,
I must get one win from Wolf.
Which costume?
How about the black suit?
Black suit? Alright.
And Found This Nation.
Alright, Final Destination.
That's where all our Marth versus Wolf battles.
If I have time, I can do more vids. Remember, it's 15 minutes now.
Alright. Let us begin.
I haven't played in weeks.
I know, me too.
I've been too busy with my Xbox.
Yeah, you were telling me about this update they came up with.
Oh yeah, the new dashboard they have.
Yeah. Whoa. What? That didn't connect? Uh-oh. Ouch.
Ow.
Ow. Don't ow me, I'll ow you.
Ow this, ow that. Ow.
Oh wow, I didn't know that would hit you. I thought you blocked that. Oh wow.
Shit.
I don't know, I'm just concentrating.
Me too.
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh, I was just about to grab you too.
Oh, I didn't, I was like, wait a minute.
Sorry for not being as funny, but I'm trying to be very serious in this matchup.
Same here. Whoa.
Oh my god, that didn't connect? Okay.
I guess not.
Okay, he dodges it. Wow.
Oh wait, I didn't do the other move? What the hell? Whoa! Oh wow, you almost edged on me.
I wasn't trying to. I was trying to get up as possible.
Ah, damn, I didn't get one win out of you.
You mean one knockout?
I mean one stop, that's what I meant. Ha! Go away, Cookie.
Oh, wow, okay.
Oh wow, did I move camera?
I think so, just a little bit though.
Oops.
Ouch.
Okay, I really gotta get serious now. Oh, damn tripping! Tripping is bad. Oh, whoa. I almost messed up there. No. I want to do the other one.
Oh, man. Okay. Wow. And I really thought that would kill you too.
Oh, whoa.
Oh, alright, I was air dodging.
I don't know, Kev.
I was air dodging, but it hit anyway. Okay.
I was
whatever
air
game.
dodging, Fox. Ah! Okay.
Alright. Another matchup.
Okay. Oh, another one? Oh, okay.
Yeah, another one. There's still like 10 minutes left in this.
I'll get you with my Marth someday. Alright, who should I be? I'll be Mario.
Mario? Okay, Mario. I'll try...
Go away.
Lucario.
How about Battlefield?
Battlefield?
Yep.
Battlefield it is.
A battlefield.
A battlefield. Ah, there we go. We got some humor right now.
Yes.
Finally got some humor.
For once. So it's a Pokemon versus a plumber. Who claims he's a plumber? Fear my fist of fury.
Fear my aura.
Ah, I stole your coins. I need some money, man.
Just so you guys
Where's my
know,
money?
I'm using a controller that I haven't used in a long time, so...
I'm using a
Forgive
controller
me
that's
for-
almost broken.
Like
just
Meta Knight.
like Meta Knight.
Like Meta Knight.
Remember when Lucario and Mewtwo had conflict? Remember, like, what do you have that I don't have? Then
Blue aura.
No, blue balls.
Well, blue balls and blue
And
aura. Oh, wait, the aura. I mean. Oh, okay.
And your mother. I always laugh when he says "and your mother." That's like the funniest line. Uh-oh.
Me.
You had
I ain't got.
see
I ain't.
it.
No, well, I didn't call it though. I didn't fell for
Whoa.
it though.
Whoa, nice one.
Yeah, that was lucky as hell.
Lucky they're the Family Guy. Oh, I thought I had you right there.
Oh, okay.
I tip my hat to you. Which is in a good way, tipping the hat. Nothing bad or anything. Oh, whoa, why did I do that? Oh, wow. Oh, wow, that actually hits still? Okay. Oh, wow. Hello, Chris.
God damn it, Kevin, are you doing a video again?
Yes.
Get the fuck out
I mean,
of my
again,
way.
I haven't done videos in a week.
Yeah, get the peppermint candy away from the dog, you bastards!
That wasn't peppermint.
Hey, I didn't have any.
Whoa. My brother, I don't know.
Pardon is French.
Yes.
Even though he's not really French.
Hip hip kitty. Oh wait, that's British.
Yeah. Very good.
Uh-oh. Oh, whoa. I thought I fell and I didn't get.
Oh, alright, no. Oh my god.
What? No. Oh, I almost spiked it. Damn it.
Oh, here we go. Alright, fine.
What? You gave it away. I knew you were gonna do that.
Hey, bullshit.
Yes, I did. Why'd you think I did the up attack? I was gonna.
Because you just love doing it.
No, I do Fist of Fury. That's why I love doing it. And why isn't my down button working? Uh-oh. Oh! I don't know, I was thinking of moving Mario up, probably. Because I've been doing pretty good with him, actually. I gotta revamp my Brawl list, because I haven't done it in a while.
I think I'm doing mine too. Well, we'll see.
Nah, I'm not gonna hedgehog you. I wanna have a good, fair match. Oh! Oh, whoa. I'm still alive! Oh wait, not anymore. Oh wait, now I am.
Oh, there you go.
There
You almost at 200 too. I'm not as good as Lucario like the rest of the characters.
Ow.
So, forgive me. I just like playing Lucario because he's fun. Oh shit.
Oh, I thought I got you there. Get out of here. What? Are you kidding me? Uh-oh. No, I didn't want to do that. Oh!
I know, I was like, should I take the risk?
I don't know.
I was like,
should
oh.
you? Are you the risk taker?
Oh my god, and I just... Oh, okay, whatever.
Hey, you had one win and I got one win.
Alright, so we're gonna do another vid.
Okay.
I could go 5 minutes longer, but I don't want to take the rest, so
No, don't.
catch you later.